Hello guys, we're back with the second box of 2009 Topps Triple Threads today. First box was pretty decent with the Ty Cobb triple bat. Hopefully you can get something better though. So this pack first. And these actually do have some weight to them, unlike that first box. Okay, first pack we will have a Miguel Cabrera triple jersey, 13 out of 36. And was that Ty Cobb 13-2? Yeah, hold on. Yes, it was 13. I'm starting to see a pattern here. Apparently 13 is our number today. And in our second pack, feels like a letter. Oh my gosh, it is another triple. Oh, Hanley Ramirez, Jose Reyes, Jimmy Rollins triple patch. Oh my gosh, the Reyes is autographed too. Oh my gosh, guys, I have just pulled a second triple patch 1 of 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is sick. Oh, look at those patches right there. And the Reyes is signed too, nonetheless. Oh my, wow. Screw the auto, I don't need no auto with that. Whew. Well guys, thank you for looking today, and wow, thank you again for looking, and see you guys later.